Here we have two amazing looking, super affordable smartwatches by Mibro, the A2 and the C3. Tech-wise they are very similar, and compared to their predecessors, they got upgraded quite a bit. Now with a way more powerful dual-core processor, 10 days of battery life, 2 ATM waterproof, gorgeous screens with a refresh rate of 60 Hz, wrist calling over Bluetooth and 70 different sport modes. And also, of course, many more functionalities and features. So let's take a close look and also compare them. I got the new drip from Mibro, the A2 and C3 smartwatches. By the way, if you're interested already, then check out the product links in the description. I will list and link the best deals for you. And now let's check it out. So here we go. First of all, let's remove the wrap. So here we go, the A2 on top and the C3 on the bottom. We also have these sides, then these two sides are just blank, and a few specs and details on the back, and this will just slide out. So the A2 and the C3. Very similar boxes, of course. Both of them will come with a spare strap and of course the paperwork. A2. There it is. Oh, it's beautiful. And up here we also have the cable. And for the C3, same cable up here. And there we have it. So let's check out the accessories and the manuals. So again, we will get two similar straps. They are identical actually. Check it out. And in here they have 5 Velcros, and this is the way it will hold on to your wrist. That's interesting. 2 Velcro straps. And then we of course also have the charging cables, and they're also identical, which is of course very practical. This is what they look like, good length to it, and on the other side we of course have the USB-A plug. And lastly, the paperwork, multi-language, and it will just unfold. So we have this for the A2 and this for the C3. So charging cables, a Velcro wrist, and of course the paperwork. Let's move on. Done with the unboxing, let's get to my first impressions and then of course to a close overview. So here we have it. The size is actually fairly similar as well. I thought that this fitness tracker is a bit smaller, but as you can see, very similar. We also have the same straps going, and the casings, the front side of these watches is looking really nice. So let's remove those. Wow, look at that, beautiful and shiny. Here we have the back, so same tech all in all, but just a few different buttons, different look to it. But both of them look really nice. The build quality is top notch. Beautiful. Wow. So let's take a close look. Let's start with the strap. So we have this. And right here we also have the quick release. Just pull this down and then this will come out. So it's super easy and fast to exchange the straps. This is the other side. Looking really cool. And again, quick release, boom, boom. And here we go with the Velcro band, and now you can do this. Boom. Oh wow. That's really nice for a quick adjustment. Looking pretty dope. And the watch with the rubber strap. Also really nice. So both straps definitely look good. Then again, the front sides, the watch faces. Here we have the right sides, 2 buttons on the watch, speaker I think right here, and this is the other side. That's the button for the fitness tracker. Well, both of them are fitness trackers, I guess. And here on the back we of course have the sensors. By the way, these are brand new 4PD matrix heart rate sensors, and they not only make the heart rate monitoring way more efficient, but also the measurement data way more accurate. Another massive improvement right there. And also the charging contacts, magnetic, perfect. You can't mess it up either. So let's power them on. So we have this one, press and hold. It will vibrate. And then we also have this one. Oh yeah, it's of course, no, this one should be right. Nice. This is how they will react to the polarizer. So check it out, they are immune. English, let's do it. All right, and now we need to pair it to the app. Okay then. Not bad, right? So let's check out the app and test them. So that's the publisher. We need the Mibro Fit app. Let's open it up. Let's of course give it all the permissions and also create an account. All right, let's move on. Let's insert the data. There we go. And my weight would be 70 kilograms. There we go. Give it all the permissions, allow, allow, allow. And there we have the app. So first of all, we have the home tab. Then we also have the personal tab. And in the middle, we have the device tab. So let's add one. And let's start with the A2. Let's go with English. And there we have it. Let's accept it. Wow, nice. Looking amazing. Okay, let's also update the firmware. But yeah, check this out. This watch face is looking really nice. So going for the restart. All right. Next step. Okay, that was fast. Nice. Okay, there we have it. So let's go on. So as you can see, this is quite an elaborate app. Firmware upgrade is done. Actually, there is yet another version. Let's do it. Firmware is up to date and I did the same procedure with the C3. And as you can see up here, you can add multiple devices and switch between them effortlessly just by tapping it. Now it's connecting to the C3. So again, the watches are very similar except from the 2 buttons on the A2, while the C3 only has 1 button. And the other difference is of course the different watch faces. And as you can see, there are many different watch faces. This one is looking pretty cool. And the installation is super easy as well. You can also see how many people are using this. Quite a lot actually. And just like that, we have the new watch dial going. And when it gets to the A2, I have already changed it once, but check it out. Let's pick this one. This one is looking amazing. And there we go. Check this out. Looking so nice. And since I already have prepared the Velcro strap on the C3, I will use it for the further tests. So there we go. Let's of course connect to it. And now check this out. We have the health monitoring, continuous heart rate. We have the notification settings. Here we have all the Bluetooth settings. You can also find your watch. It's like the ringtone. Then we also have the motion settings, all that good stuff. And of course you can also find all these settings right here. Yeah, now let's go for a sport test. So let's see. Sport. Outdoor running. Let's go. Ready to go. All right, let's get it. So as you can see, after just 2 minutes, my heart rate is already exploding. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, I should probably take it easy. 150. Oh my goodness. Check this out, that's pretty cool. When you swipe up, then you will see all the stats of the workout. Pace, steps, max heart rate and all of that stuff. Nice. 6 minutes. Let's see. Stop it. All right. And right here on the Me segment, we can of course check out all the logs. So right here we have the activity statistics and also the health status. So yeah, it's kind of embarrassing, but I'm not in shape when it gets to running. But yeah, this is definitely an amazing fitness tracker. So big thumbs up from my side. So as you saw, the build quality is a top notch. They look so nice and refined. They look really expensive, but they're actually really affordable. And especially compared to my old fitness tracker, it is night and day. You can wear them with a suit, no problem. Really nice watches. And not to forget, you can also easily exchange the watch bands to make them fit different occasions. Just amazing. Both of them got the newest tech upgrades. As I said, they're very similar, they're very power efficient, have a super long battery life, while still offering all the amazing health and sleep tracking functionalities. Tons and tons of sport modes, just incredible. And as you saw, you can also customize the watches quite extensively. And of course, you can also do all the other smartwatch things like controlling your phone remotely, checking all the notifications, and also accepting and doing calls over your watch. Really handy to have. And it's also water resistant, so keeping them on while swimming is also of course an option. And the display looks amazing as well. Super high refresh rate, great resolution, great buttons, just awesome all in all, and a definitely trippy. Check out the product links in the description if you're interested. I will list and link the best deals for you. But before you go, smash that like button, then subscribe, ring the bell and click all to never miss amazing tech magnet videos. That's it for this one. Enjoy it and I will see you soon.